So changing the blade on the new Dewalt Plunge Saw couldn't really be simpler, especially compared to the previous model. Now, first thing to note is that the little tool is stored in the handle. This is a window here through to the blade, so you can see that that releases the blade. And then to get the blade down to the right height, really easy. We've got a lever on the top, flip that over to lock, and then it will lock in place in that window as soon as you get to that space. So if I flip it up now, I will press the release on the top. That is then releasing so I can access the screw in the blade. So just unscrewing it now. Screw comes out, this comes out of the top. That is then blade out. And then to get it back in, again, dead simple. Straight back in, sits in there nicely. You'll see there's a groove here where you need to line up these two dots here into the groove, make sure you're at the right weight. That's in, screw goes back in, tighten that up. Just that button's pressed in. That is then nice and tight. Close the window. And then all you have to do is release this lever and we're ready to go. Honestly, couldn't be simpler. That's the DCS525. You can get it at its.co.uk.